I'm doing nighttime rituals with a child, and I have a serious problem with this busy, noisy farm book. You press the buttons, and it makes noise. So you go through, the farmer lost the pig. He asks all the animals where the pig is. He finds the pig. And then he says goodnight to everyone. You know, rooster, cow, horse, dog, duck, chick, cat, owl. And then the farmer counts the pigs. Yep, they're all there. So he doesn't say goodnight to his tractor, who also plays a major role in this book. You know, any respectable gentleman would also say goodnight to his tractor. Why are you shaking my arm? And here's the second part. This is the sound the tractor makes. No tractor makes that noise. That's horrible. This book is completely unreadable. I hate it.